it's really hard for teachers to balance the attention they have to put in the requirements of the curriculum with creativity, because many times creativity in the classroom is sacrificed in order to achieve better academic results with the state tests, the FCAC, and all of the tests that the students have to take in the schools. They just teach for the test, and they are not teaching in a creative way, and they are not teaching creativity. They are just teaching test strategies and just what they want the students to know to pass the test and to have a good score to make the school look with a school. It's sad to say, but that is what is happening nowadays in many schools. So as teachers, we have to find a way to find a balance with this situation.